Unit 20, Invention of Airplanes. The invention of the airplane has brought about as great a revolution in people's lives as that of the railway engine and the steamship 100 years ago. Then the world seems to shrink in size, for in the old days of sailing vessels, America was 6 months away from Tokyo, but it is now only 3 weeks away by steamers. But the size of the world is shrinking further. At present, a regular flight from New York to Tokyo takes only a few hours. What a difference this will make to trade and commerce, to people's lives and their views of the world. The airplane will bring about the greatest revolution when war breaks out. Frontiers, fortresses, wire entanglements, and the ocean itself will then be no protection to any country. A fleet of battle airplanes, loaded with the poisonous gas and tons of high explosive bombs, will be able to wipe out a great city or a country in a few minutes. And then man's wonderful conquest of the air, which should be nothing but a blessing, will prove a curse.